What are some of the biggest misconceptions that people have about this process of custody, maintenance, and property settlements and how they are decided by the courts? The
Sure,
biggest
no problem.
misconceptions.
One I would say is, and tie back to the question that you would have asked previously concerning the favorable outcomes for females. I would say that that perception is very much wrong, especially in what I have experienced in cases that I've dealt with. One, and also speaking to the fact that each matter before the court is different. And because of the facts and the evidence that is presented, the judge or magistrate, in based on whichever circumstance, has no decision to make based on that. Now, custody. Let's say, for instance, if it is in a circumstance of divorce or common law marriage. In so doing, if it is that the kids under 18 are in the care and control of the mother, let's say, right? The one that they mostly think is favorable. In so doing, as the mother being the one that is in the care and control of the kids, would it not be that there would be certain needs that has to be met for the upkeep and the care of the children in which the court will now have to put into place? Consequently, that may come at the expense of the husband's or the father's pocket. And that expense sometimes seems like should I say, a malicious outcome, even though it's their kids. And the thing with that now is they would now grasp and now make their own concept and carry that. And we know misconceptions are very easy to spread. Very, very easy to spread. Negative is very easy to spread. But what I would say, and especially of late and in my matters as well, I am seeing now that the board and the playing field has now become level because we now have fathers that are stepping up before the court and are filing for custody of their kids when they are seeing that the mother is not playing the role that she is supposed to the kids, especially at paramount stages of the children's life.
Right.
So recently, there are now an influx, I would say, because it's more than before, to the point that the judges are even commending the fathers for actually coming forward and having consideration to be able to file for sole custody of their children. Right? So I would say that is a misconception that needs to be dealt with, where I mean, certain aspects, like when we have forums such as these and we have listening ears of, someone who may have taken that misconception as law, that now they could hear a different perspective, especially from myself being before the court and seeing the difference that now plays a part in, our society for today.
Yes, thank you for that.